Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I wanted to say congratulations to those students who got offered the job for Rye Playland this summer. I know it wasn't easy. You worked very hard on your resume. Some of you wrote cover letters and the interview process. You definitely got hundreds. I noticed some of you got dressed up. You wore a suit, you wore a little dressier shirt. Just that process alone, they picked you for a reason. And not everyone gets offered the position. So a lot of students are saying, "Oh, it's so easy. They hire everyone." No, they don't. If you earned that position, you went through the process, your resume, your application, just who you are, your character. And I do know students. You believe it or not, students come up to me and they tell me, they didn't get the job. Obviously, then I don't shout it out loud and announce it to the whole wide world, but you got to be mindful. There are students out there who was not offered the position. So it's not the end of the world. It's okay. There are a ton of other companies. Like I said, it just wasn't in the cards. It wasn't meant to be. It's not, don't worry about it. Like, you just keep your head up. You apply to other positions, other jobs. There's a ton of companies. We're doing a research project and you guys see, I'm talking about companies every day. Every day there's always, whether it's fast food or retail, there's a lot of places, and even summer places. There's a lot of camps out there. So a lot of people are hiring. No worries. But those who did apply, and you deserve it. I'm so proud of you. I saw the emails. I read the email. You guys are excited. And it's just having that letter, that email that says congratulations. I just feel like printing it and posting it up on my bulletin board. So I'm very proud of all of you. I know 2 students, I've seen the email message, who definitely got the job. So I'm making this video specifically for you 2. So I am very proud of you, and you deserve it. You absolutely deserve everything. I'm excited. I'm very excited for you. And this is great news. So congratulations once again. And you'll keep us updated. You'll give us feedback when we come back in September and let us know how this summer job was. And I know they're coming back. So those students who did not get an opportunity to interview, I got to double check. Don't quote me, but maybe in the next 2 months or so, I know they're coming back. They're scheduled to come back again. So if you didn't, get an interview this time around, definitely next time. All right. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't